Hey guys, it's Justine, and today we're actually shooting a podcast right now, and I decided that in the middle of the podcast, I was going to do an unboxing so that we could just do the podcast, and I could also unbox my Note 20 Ultra 5G.
I'm excited for you.
Me too. Check this thing out.
I'm also
Look at
here.
this.
Hi, everyone.
Jenna's here, and Jenna, what do you have?
Oh, well, I already unboxed mine, but
She already did.
I want you to be.
Okay,
I
don't want to see it.
Experience it for yourself.
Okay, this is really exciting. So if you guys are watching again on YouTube, this is a part of our podcast, so you can go check that out. I'll put links in the description. Anchor.fm, Same Brain. And if you're wondering why it's called Same Brain, this is my sister Jenna.
Hello.
We tend to have a lot of the same thoughts, but sometimes we have different ones too. But for the most part,
Same brain. For the most part.
For the most part.
Actually, thinking about this the other day, because you're left-handed, which means you probably utilize more of your right brain, and I'm right-handed, which means I probably utilize more of my left brain.
I have learned a lot about myself trying to learn to solve a Rubik's Cube, which I can. It's weird because some of the teaching styles of people that I've seen on YouTube, I absolutely cannot comprehend what they're saying. When they're telling me left and rights, clockwise and counterclockwise, that does not compute in my brain whatsoever. When they tell me to go left, I will instinctively not, it takes me so long to think about which way left is. And that's really not normal, right?
What, is it right or is it left?
What is the question?
Because you said right.
Right? Oh,
Oh, okay. Anyway, so yeah, that's what I was thinking. That also, before I couldn't, fall asleep, I was like, wait a minute, same brain. We both probably use different.
I see what you're saying.
Creativity.
So the brain side that you're not using, I'm using.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Fun. It's fun.
I just got that.
Oh,
because I was
okay.
still processing.
That's totally fine. There's a loose wire for connecting.
No, there's a little bit of looseness.
you hit your head.
I did hit my head.
Anyway.
Ready? Should we do like a... No.
Oh, no. How about this?
Oh. Have you seen? 20. Don't even know if it's in focus because Tyler's not here. So
It'll focus eventually. We're
look.
relying on autofocus.
We love autofocus.
All you have to say is, focus on me.
I'm lifting up the top of the box now for our audio listeners. And here it is. I'm looking at a very, very, very shiny screen.
Well, you're going to have to do it by the mic if you want to have the full audio effect.
Oh, no. I'm taking it out now. I just want to make sure that they know exactly what I'm doing if they're listening. Jenna's opening up a bottle of water. She's taking a drink. Here it is. Okay, I'm going to flip it over. Wow. Oh, is that a SIM card? Oh God, they've conveniently. What is that? No, that's
It's
a
just a
serial
sticker.
number. Okay,
I
let me
did
take off the sticker. Now I'm going to give you guys some real nice close-up sounds of. I'm peeling off the back sticker now. Ready? Here we go. Oh, did you hear it?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
It sounded okay. Is there something on the front? There is one on the front. Okay, get ready. Oh, I mean, I'm hyped.
There's also stickies on the top, but not really as important.
What I love is that it's kind of, the back of it has more of like a matte sort of texture. So it feels like it's not going to slip out of your hand like a slippery seal.
Yeah, and I'm always real smudgy.
Look.
I said in mine that I'm super smudgy, but I love also that like the camera notch has like a kind of shiny, like a shinier look to it.
Yeah, so
It's very pretty.
It's interesting because the camera bump, even in videos, like I didn't realize how big that is.
It's big boy.
But the camera bump is essentially about the same size as the S20, but the body of the Note is actually slimmer. So that's kind of interesting. And obviously it wouldn't be a Note if it didn't have the S Pen.
I took out.
Oh, wow.
I took out the S Pen.
So the little pen has its nice little home. They also switched the side because I think on the Note 10, I think it was on this side actually. So that's kind of interesting. I love the color. So the Galaxy Note 20 comes in 3 colors, Mystic Bronze, Mystic Green, Mystic Gray. I like that green. That green looks really nice too.
Pretty cool. Yeah, it's a nice
The
color.
only thing with the Galaxy Note 20 is it's more of a plastic phone. I've been watching a bunch of people's videos. I'm sure you guys have seen a ton of them as well. But I don't know which color I like the best. I mean, I think the gold.
So with this, you can now do shortcuts where you hold in this button and you do like little like.
The latency has also been, I guess, decreased because before on previous Note devices, whenever you would write, you would be able to see the pen trail. Well, now they've been able to eliminate a lot of that, so it's almost like real time.
So I know I'm jumping the gun here, but if you do these little motions, it'll like go back or
cool.
go home. So it's really cool. So you just click the button on the S Pen, you do these motions, and they're like the little air shortcuts.
That's pretty cool. Let's see what else we have in this box.
Not much.
Okay, well we
Yeah,
got
but USB-C.
Fast charger. Oh, no. This is the super fast charger. Matthew?
I'm
Matthew?
upset.
He's upset.
I love.
He's growling. Oh, listen to his little voice.
He's been
listen
speaking.
to his voice.
When he's calling for you.
So it has a USB charger, as always. Anything else in here? No. Okay.
And to be fair, I did tell you that.
What?
There's nothing else in there.
There's nothing else in there.
Note 20 Ultra has the 6.9-inch display.
Whereas the Note 20 has the 6.7-inch display. Man, I'm hyped to try this out. Hey, turn on. Let's
Mine's
go.
already on and I'm already drawing.
So I guess now we just go to yours because yours is already set up. But
Yeah,
man,
come on over.
This camera looks amazing. I haven't got to take any photos yet. On the Note 20 Ultra, it does have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 108 megapixel wide angle, 12 megapixel telephoto, and a laser AF sensor. Now the Note 20 not Ultra, it doesn't have the laser sensor. It feels very top heavy.
Yeah, a little bit. I mean, it's got a big boy camera notch.
It does. But man, I'm so excited to test this out. This is cool. What you doing? You taking some photos?
So what I was doing the other day was it's like this. You can draw. You can use the AR on your front facing camera, and you can hit record. Okay, so I'm gonna hit record, and I can do a little drawing. Also, if you don't put the S Pen back in, it will give you a very aggressive alert.
Really?
Yeah, I'm like, what do you want? And I look down. I'm like, oh, it's like put me back. I'm like, okay, sorry.
Just try to connect to your Wi-Fi network. So it has her Wi-Fi network, and then under it says very fast.
Thank you. That is the best compliment I think I've ever received.
Do you remember your password?
Well, yeah, I'm not crazy.
Well, I mean, some people have like super long whatever.
You know what? I'm excited that you're here because I can send you your video file with their file sharing transfer system. Well, I wanted to try this yesterday when I was doing my unboxing, but I was like, oh, there's nobody here. And I was
I'm here.
like, okay, so nearby share. Right now it's popping up. It says that share instantly with people nearby.
Oh wow, the screen looks amazing. It's 120 hertz refresh rate.
25% brighter.
What's the battery on this one?
I already said it. 4,500 milliamp hour.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
yes.
I'm
Oh my gosh,
excited.
look.
Oh, this
it's
is
happening.
exciting.
It's happening. To share devices turn by, you have to turn on Bluetooth, location, and Wi-Fi.
Yeah, turn it on. Come on, nearby
It's on,
share.
it's on. Oops, I closed it. Sorry. You closed. Accept. Okay, it's sending.
It's sent.
Oh my god, there it is. So show them that you sent it.
I
Now
can't.
I have the same thing.
Same thing. Well,
Oh my gosh,
really
this is
quick.
incredible. That was actually very quick. That's cool.
Wow.
I also like that they did away with the, what was it, like the 100x zoom.
Oh,
That
the 100
was-
times zoom, yeah.
A little aggressive. I think now it's 50, which is a little bit more reasonable. I just feel like the 100, it looked really not good.
It was a lot. I mean,
The fact that you could do that on a smartphone, I think was really cool. It was kind of showing like the possibilities. Like this is something that you could potentially do in the future and make this look really cool. Props to Samsung for like
They went
going
for
all
it.
out. They
They went for it.
definitely went for it.
I mean, I definitely tried to use it, but it's like if you're trying to do it handheld and you're not stable, it's gonna be a blurry mess.
Yeah.
I was not stable.
Dude, this screen looks amazing. It's
Wait until
telling
you do
me
a little drawing.
that it needs to connect to a charger. Oh, geez, I'm
Here,
hitting
use me
myself.
as a charger.
I can charge myself off of you.
Oh wait, do I have to turn it on?
Yeah, this is cool.
Okay.
I love that it has wireless charging. I'm definitely looking forward to doing a full review on this. So that'll be coming out, let's see, in a few weeks, I think, as soon as I can get some time to spend with this. Ooh,
Oh.
look, wireless power share. You just hit that.
Okay.
So now I am going to charge me on you.
Okay, just don't put your camera on my camera because it might scratch. Okay, you put your camera directly on my camera.
No, I didn't. Your camera, they're separate. My camera's not touching your camera. See?
Oh, okay. I
They're
got
opposite.
worried. So
So
now
now-
you're charging your phone on my phone.
So some other stuff that they announced called the Unpacked event. So they unpacked a lot. I mean, they freaking unpacked so much stuff. So they came out with an update to the Samsung Watch. You guys know I'm a huge fan of smartwatches. So they have now integrated blood pressure, oxygen levels, ECG, and of course just regular heart rate. And they also have Samsung Fitness.
Oh.
Did you see that during
No,
the
I
event?
didn't.
The event was very long.
It was kind of long.
It was very, very
I had
long.
to do some other stuff, but I watched some of it.
And every single YouTuber had posted their videos already. So I was
That's
like, well, I
actually
kind of
true.
want to go watch like my friends and
That's
support
true.
them. The Samsung Fitness was actually really, really cool. So they did this demo where the girl had her Samsung watch on. It integrated with the fitness app that they have. Like Samsung has all these workout activities. Like I had no idea this was
like,
a thing.
I didn't either.
No. And then she was watching that on the television and doing the workouts on her watch. And then you're able to like pause the workout on your watch, but it all like syncs up to like the Samsung Health, which was really cool.
You have been talking about the blood oxygen for quite some time now, like something that you've wanted in a device.
Like for years.
A long time.
Here's the problem is a lot of that stuff takes a lot to get through like the FDA and like health clearances, because you don't want to be like freaking people out wearing these devices and then you start getting a high blood pressure when it's not entirely accurate, especially with like those like wrist wearing blood pressure monitors.
Gosh, yeah, those are not accurate.
They're not. So I think that's really hard for a device to be able to be that one said device that is going to be able to do it all.
For sure.
Let me see. I'm just going to look it up
You're
really
gonna
quick.
have to, you're gonna have to do it right if you're gonna do it. Also, you're still recording on that. If you're interested in that, that's cool. But
I'll stop that.
I will say though, with my Apple Watch, like there was a time I fell down like on purpose, and it's like, did you fall? I did. Another time I fell down running up the steps. I tripped. I actually hit my arm really, really hard. It looks like taking a tumble. I was like, I did, but I'm okay. The fall accuracy of the Apple Watch is pretty impressive.
There was something that I was reading today talking about the update to the Apple Watch and the fall detection, because obviously they're talking about, you know, if Samsung came out with this, like what's Apple gonna do? Using the Apple Health, like if you were to fall and you don't respond, it would be able to call
Your emergency contacts?
Yeah, emergency contacts. It will also call for like 911 or whatever, and then it'll read off what has happened. So it'll say so-and-so may have fallen, they are not responsive, this is their current heart rate, this was their heart rate before the fall, this is a medication.
Apple or Samsung?
No, this is Apple.
It's Apple,
and
okay.
it'll be able to tell them like what medication you're on, and it'll be able to pull from your health data that is already integrated into your phone. And obviously this is something that you would have to give access to and allow to happen. But if this is like a life or death situation, like I don't care if my watch is telling the authorities my heart rate, my weight, my height, like all of this information, like that needs to be known ahead of
for
time.
sure.
Especially like blood types and stuff like that.
Very important.
Still
this goes back to
don't know mine. So now it's the end of the podcast. Jenna, let's see what the charging is at. So it says wireless charging. It says 3 hours, 22 minutes until full. I
Not
basically
bad.
would be sucking the life out of your phone to give me life.
I like it.
So cool, the wireless charging worked. I'm definitely looking forward to checking this out. I absolutely love the color. So guys, thank you for watching. If you guys want to check out the full podcast where we talked about a lot of stuff, but also a lot of nothing. I will put a link in the description, anchor.fm/samebrain. If you guys want to check out Jenna. She also did an unboxing / Jenna Ezerick. And there goes the dump truck.
We had to open the door because Maddie wanted to go outside to sunbathe. So
He did.
This is a silky little machine. I'm excited for you to test it out.
Me too. I gotta go
Silky.
set it all up. I'm gonna
Like
go
the
draw
S
some
Pen.
pictures.
The S Pen feels real good. It's nice and responsive and super smooth. So I'm
Cool.
excited.
I'm hyped. All right, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.